Hey guys, my name is Eris,
And I'm Corey.
and today we're showing squishies.
Oh, okay. So
We have this one.
I got these squishies off Amazon, and some of them are kind of defected. Except I got this banana at
Carowinds. When she went with me.
Carowinds, as you can tell. So let's
Get to it. All right, we got bread.
It's a pink breado toast.
It's
All right.
fast rising, but
So I'm gonna do this.
we're gonna take turns showing each.
And we have to dig for it. Oh, okay. This is one of my favorite squishies. It's very slow rising. It's really soft. It's like a little bear. You have to close your eyes and dig.
All right.
Let's take squishies. Just turn that off for a second. It's like a green panda bear.
All right, and I pulled out an orange.
It's super slow rising.
Like it hasn't even got to its full shape yet. All right, your turn.
So, oh, okay. I got another toast. I got this blue cute face toast. It's pretty slow rising. It's really cute. I love it a lot.
All right. Oh, I got a macaroon. It's not very slow rising. It's fast rising, but I like it's so soft.
The middle isn't a squishy. The middle
Yeah,
is
the
like a
middle's
piece
like-
of plastic.
Yeah. That's why it's probably fast rising.
So, let me... Oh, okay. So I got this little donut. It is slow rising. It's pretty squishy. It's pretty nice. And if you hear any background noises, it's my my rat. She's rambunctious.
I'm at her house.
She's at my house.
At my house, I have a rat too. Her name's Lily. All right, get back to it.
Her name's Ellie, by the way.
Oh, and this is the one Corey got when she was with me at Carowinds. Slow rising banana. It's actually fast rising, but like the texture to it, it's not like, I don't know. I love the texture of it.
It feels like a sponge.
Next.
So I'm gonna look at you and I'm going to pick a squishy. Oh, okay. So this is one of my favorite squishies that I own. So let me turn the light off for a second. All right. So that is a pink penguin. It's really, really cute. It's in the middle of slow rising and fast rising, but it is super cute and fun to play with. It's like a little stress ball, like the orange. The orange is like a little stress ball too.
I got a fish.
It's a teriyaki fish.
All right, let's look at this rising. It's harder, but harder
It's
to,
really
like,
thin
squeeze,
too,
and
so
it's thin, but let's put this in the light.
oh, there's too much light. This is best.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. That works best.
Honestly,
All right.
I feel like it should just be like that.
Sure.
That's better. We're using like a flashlight to do some of our
That's
lighting.
not good.
That's too much.
All right.
Let me see it. I'm gonna just.
So yeah,
Just go
there's the
like
fish. There you go. Your turn. We have a whole box of them.
We have a whole little. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 11 more. So,
We'll try to hurry. I'll go ahead and pick mine.
all right. Oh, there's one out. So I'm gonna. Oh,
And we may have to do a part 2. Not very sure. If this video gets up to
oh, I got 2.
6, then I'm definitely cutting the video to part 2.
All right, I got 2 squishies.
All right, show them the first one. Go.
All right, so this is a cat squishy. It is super slow rising. And then I got a cat paw. What a coincidence. It's really coincidence. It's really slow rising too.
And I have this. It's a heart with a face on it. It's in the middle, but I think it's in the middle of slow rising and not slow rising. But I think it's more of a slow rising.
Alright, so I got this emoji bun with a bite taken out. It's super, super slow rising. It is super squishy.
Did that come like that?
Yes, it did. It's actually factory did that. So,
All right.
next.
I got loaf of bread. Yeah. I don't need it. And that loaf of bread has a weird face on it. And I got, what is this?
It's like a little, like a pastry.
So, pastry.
Alright, so we're gonna do a part 2 of 5 more squishies.
All right, well, and
Bye.